I'm recording.
What? No. Oh, how did she do that? I got a picture.
She wrote him a message.
I wrote a letter.
Oh, where?
Huh?
Oh, where?
To his fan club.
Stop. No.
Take a picture of you and
You should be.
No.
take a nugget.
Nope.
Now you see why I was so excited.
Oh my God.
I forgot. You know, it's been so long ago.
Thank you. I'm afraid that I gotta go to Walmart.
You crying, Jessica?
Jessica.
Dude, Jessica and Colby. What made it with Colby? What did you write?
I can't talk.
She told
I was talking
him.
about the accident. You had a rough year.
That you would really.
I got this. You got this on camera.
You deserved it.
This is going on Facebook.
Good mom.
Oh, it's crazy.
I
Sorry.
forgot all about it.
Guys, can y'all say bye?